welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And welcome to the overview video of the Berry Harvest Project Playbook. There are 3 other videos in this series. Video number 1 is me going through the cutting guides and cutting all this out. Video number 2, we put together project number 1 and project number 3. And then the third video, we do project number 2 and project number 4. And there is quite a bit of leftovers. So if you wanted to be able to do a companion page, you'd be able to do that based on what is left on those. So, and I will try and do those, but I'm thinking about doing borders instead with the punches. So I'm not sure what the plan is for that, but I just wanted to give you an overview of what these are going to look like. And I will put links to all the videos below. So this is project number layout number 1. So this is pages 1 and 2. Make sure I have these in the camera so you can see. This is using the border punch for that. And then layout number 2 is another 2 pages spread, and this is using foam squares and embellishments and some mat cards. Actually, I think it goes this way. I think it can go either way, but there is a variation from the guide. I put these up here instead of down here, which is fine. You have room to put some more embellishments there once you've got your pictures down. Plenty of room for more embellishments. And this is number 3. Love it. With the blueberries. Some of the ideas that we discussed is how can we use this if we aren't gardeners and canners and things like that. And are you making a pie with your kids? Are you making ice cream sundaes with your kids? Did your kid have a strawberry shortcake birthday party? You can do baking or anything like that as well. You can strawberry picking, berry picking, anything like that are some ideas that aren't related to canning and things like that. I know one summer I canned peaches, or not canned peaches, made strawberry jam with my grandma. And I doubt there's any pictures. I'd have to go back and look in all my family pictures and stuff, and see if my grandma took any pictures. But it, canning with grandma, even pictures of grandma on the farm, I think would look beautiful with something like this, or even this one as well. So just kind of think outside the box for those. If you want to watch the other 3 videos, I'm linking them below, like I said, along with my information on how to connect with me, how to shop with me, how to get on my emailing list. We would love for you to attend one of the events. I have 3 events left this year. One is August 23rd. That is a 1-day event. The next one is October 24th through 26th. That is a weekend event, and that's a really fun weekend. And then the last one is on December. So 3 more left for 2025. Hard to believe that. I have 2026 up on my website. Those are tentative dates. I'm still coordinating. It's kind of hard to plan next summer when you're still in the middle of summer. But trying to coordinate, maybe adding an extra 1 or 2 events in 2026. So be sure to get on my emailing list. Thanks again for joining me, and have a great day.